ITC Power. Empower your business.
Place the mast in the chassis mounting hole. Take out the M10*25 bolts and add flat washers and spring washers. Then tighten the 6 bolts on both sides in turn. Insert the handrail into the steering gear. Take out the M12*30 bolts and tighten them with flat washers. Take out the lighting lamp and place it on the mast fixing bolt. Then take out the M12 nut, add a flat washer and a spring washer and tighten it. Install the 4 lights and make sure the nuts are tightened. Open the junction box cover. Remove the transparent cover. Insert the wiring of the lighting fixture into the junction box from the bottom. Four groups of wires are connected to the terminal block. Note that the red wire connects to the red wire, the blue wire connects to the blue wire, and the yellow-green wire connects to the yellow-green wire. Then put on the cover plate back and install the junction box cover. Install the shock absorbing pad on the connecting piece. Then place the reinforcement plate in the shock absorbing pad installation hole. Take out the M12*25 bolts, add flat washers and spring washers and tighten them. Lift the genset. Place the connecting piece on the installation hole of the chassis. Take out the M6*16 bolts and tighten them. Adjust the direction of the reinforcement plate to be parallel to the unit. Place the generator set in the hole on the light tower chassis. Take out the M12*25 bolts, add flat washers and spring washers and tighten them. Insert the plug into the socket on the generator. Turn the key to start the generator. Flip the circuit breaker upward. Lower the support feet and tighten the handle. Note that the gears at the support feet are locked. Press the brakes to hold the wheels. Loosen the lamp holder fixing handle, adjust the angle of the lamp, and tighten the handle again. Shake the mast lifting handle to raise the light to a suitable height. Close the LED light circuit breaker upwards, normal lighting. Turn down the LED light circuit breaker and shut down the generator. Pull out the limit pin. Shake the mast lifting handle to lower the light to the lowest height. Final reset limit pin.